something that I hear all the time. I'll start working out when I have more time, or I don't have enough time. I can't fit it into my schedule. Listen, I get it. You're juggling kids, work, laundry, meal prep, trying to have some kind of social life, maybe even sleep. And the idea of adding a workout into that, it feels impossible. Okay? But here's the thing. Waiting for free time is exactly what's keeping you stuck. Because guess what? That perfect time where everything slows down, it's never coming. And when we wait for that magical free space in our schedule, we just end up in this cycle of starting, stopping, okay? And never getting into a consistent routine. So today I want to show you why the best time to start a fitness routine is actually when you are super busy. And more importantly, how you can do it in a way that actually works for your life. Because I promise you don't need to spend an hour in the gym to get stronger or feel better. Okay, so why is this waiting for free time keeping you stuck? The biggest issue I see when it comes to fitness, it's not lack of motivation, it's not even lack of time. It's the idea that fitness has to be this all or nothing thing. You either have to go to the gym for a full workout or it doesn't count. You have to be perfectly consistent or you've completely failed. And if you miss a few days, might as well quit. But here's what actually happens when we follow that approach. Life gets busy, workouts drop off, and then when we try and start again, it feels even harder. That's why the key isn't waiting for life to slow down. It's learning how to make fitness fit into the life you already have. How to fit fitness into your busy life. Okay, so what does this actually look like? First, forget the idea that you need an hour. You don't need 60 minutes in a gym to get stronger. You don't even need a gym to get stronger. You just need the right exercises for your body. That's the difference, really, between randomly picking workouts and actually solving things like back pain, leaks, weak core muscles. Okay? Second, stack movement into things you're already doing. Can you do a quick core exercise while your coffee brews? What about squats while you're playing with your toddler? Or maybe stretching before bed while you scroll your phone? Or ditch the scrolling the phone for stretching before bed? Okay? Because when you do this, workouts stop feeling like extra work and start becoming a part of your day. Okay? Here's where most women get frustrated. They try to fit in workouts, but they're doing exercises that don't actually fix their leaks, pain, or core weakness. They're spending too much time on movements that aren't really helping them feel stronger. And then because they don't see results, they quit. That's why instead of wasting time on generic programs, the best thing you can do is have a short, personalized plan that actually targets what you need. For example, instead of going to the gym for an hour and feeling frustrated, imagine having just 3 or 4 key exercises that take way less time but actually fix the root of your issue, whether it's leaks or back pain or feeling weak. That's what I do. I help busy women get stronger without wasting time on workouts that don't work. Okay? Keep in mind, too, that if you start working out now while you're busy and you have little kids, for example, then when you get more free time because they suddenly are in school full time, you have laid a foundation and a habit that you can now build on and improve upon, okay? So don't worry, this is just a season, but it's also the best season to start, okay? So here's what I want you to do. If you've been waiting for the right time to start, let's make it simple. Start small. Start with one thing this week. And if you want help figuring out exactly what works for your body, let's chat. I can give you a quick assessment and create a plan that fits your schedule without taking over your life. Drop a comment below, send me a message, email me, check the link in the description to get started. Because you don't need more time, you just need a plan that actually works. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.